just like an aeroplane. It takes you over and over again. My love is just like an aeroplane. It brings you closer to what you wanted. This is what I wanted to. My love is just like the ocean. It draws you closer and closer to me. My love is just like the ocean. It pulls you further from the shore. Is this what you wanted? Time's a wasting. Love is chasing you. Time's a wasting. Love is chasing you. Oh, come on, love is what you make it. I'll show you love is how we'll make it. Chasing. Time's a wasteland. Love is facing you. Yeah. Time's a wasting. Love is chasing. Time's a wasting. Love is chasing. Time's a wasteland. Love is facing you. My love is just like an airplane. It takes you over and over.
Hello. My name is Mike Searson. I'm with Live Your Life Learning. Learning to make your life better. You may be in a remote job position or a remote business where you may need to create digital graphic designs. If that is the case, I recommend a tool called Canva at www.canva.com. Canva is a tool that can help people create graphical designs in the electronic world. Canva is a free online graphic design tool. A YouTube video that can explain Canva can be YouTube title, How to Use Canva for Beginners, Full Canva Tutorial 2021. At the YouTube channel, and let me spell the name, Natalia is the first name, the last name is Kalinska. The address to this YouTube channel is in the description below. I've been using Canva for a while. I've used Canva to create designs for videos, ebook covers, podcast covers, and anything else that you need to create a digital graphic design. Canva will reward you with a badge after creating 200 designs on their system. Canva is a free and helpful tool for creating designs. I would highly recommend the tool. In conclusion, Canva is a free online graphic design software tool that can be useful for your digital needs. I would highly recommend the software. The purpose of the content is to provide insight, research, and opinion, not to provide professional, legal, or tax advice. Please see an individual expert for individual guidance. Thanks for listening. Thank you.